There are many promising crypto technologies out there, and THOR nodes are one of the newest ones. How are they better than the other ones? And should you invest in them? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about THOR Nodes version 2. But before that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. We've been making investments in cryptocurrency and blockchain nodes for a number of months. We'll be the first to confess that THOR Financial was a project that we put off for a very long time. Perhaps this is due to the fact that THOR soared a $481.97 before plummeting to $15.55. Maybe this is because there is no formal white paper for the project. We were hesitant to invest at $16 because of our apprehension. Then it went up to $30, $75, $100, and $150. Then it went up again. The price of THOR is now hovering around $170. The cheapest node, Heimdall, costs 1.25 THOR, which is approximately $212. Its current payouts are 0.02125 THOR per day, which will be reduced to 0.0008 THOR per day on March 1st, when the incentives begin to taper down. By the way, did you know about THOR nodes? Let us know in the comments section down below. THOR Financial Service. THOR Financial is a distributed financial infrastructure system running on the Avalanche blockchain. Their objective is to create a protocol that can be used as a node as a service (NAAS) as well as a DeFi as a service (DAAS). In other words, THOR invests its capital in validating nodes and other DeFi-related technologies, node services, staking, yield farming, etc. They've put many millions of dollars towards the development of DeFi protocols as well as the running of 2 complete FTM validator nodes. Those who own THOR nodes receive a portion of the profits earned by their investments. They undertake the legwork of identifying high-yield investment possibilities to distribute funds to, and the noders get the rewards. This is the type of service they offer. THOR nodes are acquired in order to make investments in the THOR Financial network. Following the purchase of a node, you will get the daily reward linked with the node type that you purchased. THOR nodes can be classified into 4 main categories. This picture depicts the node structure as it appears after the most recent update was performed. As you can see, the new daily profits will be implemented on a number of various days during the following month. As indicated, the THOR team made the decision in the interest of the project's long-term viability. You may examine the cost of each node level, the amount of new daily profits, the amount of daily rewards as a proportion of the initial investment, and other information. The least price node, Heimdall, will recover your 1.25 THOR investment in 156 days, making it the most cost-effective option. With the most costly node, Odin, you'll get back your initial investment of 78.125 THOR in just over a month. At the current exchange rate, this node is worth more than $13,000. Greater rewards are provided to bigger nodes by the THOR team in order to encourage them to grow in size. However, this also implies that the investor will be exposed to higher risks upfront. It is important to consider the tax claim as well as the maintenance costs when making your investment. THOR Financial has unveiled Liquidity Pool (LP) staking, which would let investors earn large annual percentage yields (APY). When I last looked, the yield ranged between 2,000 and 4,000%, but it's likely to be lower as more individuals place bets. It is possible to participate by purchasing an equal amount of THOR and AVAX on Trader Joe's and exchanging them for LP tokens. These LP coins provide liquidity for the automated market makers that operate on decentralized exchanges (AMM). And only lately, a second edition of the book was released. Even while it looks quite identical to the original, it has a few additional features that make it even more appealing. Also, make sure to write your thoughts about THOR nodes in the comments section. Are you invested in them? The downsides. All of these passive gains, on the other hand, do not come without some level of risk. We'll go through a couple of them. Durability. There is no assurance that THOR will be able to continue to pay out the specific benefits to all node holders in perpetuity as originally planned. They rely on the performance of their treasury/reward pool money, as well as the creation of additional nodes to succeed. The rewards pool conceives around 80% of the cost of a new node, which is a significant amount. However, in order to ensure long-term viability, the team will be decreasing prices in the near future. Price volatility. The price of THOR has fluctuated widely in recent months. An ATH of over $500 and an ATL of less than $16 are both possible. Due to the fact that node rewards are paid out in THOR, they are susceptible to volatility of the currency. In recent weeks, the pricing has been significantly more steady. THOR Financial is a new project that has only been operational for a few months. They've accomplished a great deal in a short period of time, but they haven't been actively working on their vision for very long. This might be viewed as both an opportunity and a danger from the perspective of the investor. Putting the risks aside, THOR is the most widely used DAAS protocol. The breadth of their investing opportunities is astounding. They have a strong sense of belonging. Their timetable is both ambitious and realistic. These past 2 weeks, the THOR squad had been on a roll and hitting the ball out of the park. I'm looking forward to what is ahead. DeFi is a high-risk endeavor. Invest just what you can afford to lose, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose. I hope that this video serves as a useful beginning point for you. Please make sure to do your own research and always be careful with all crypto investments. Congratulations on your nodding. Scam or not? THOR has given us a really positive impression. There are, however, a few things that one should be aware of. First and foremost, despite the fact that they have a fantastic staff answering queries on Discord, we do not have a firm assurance regarding the real developers working on the project. However, they appear to be working really hard in the background, and a significant upgrade to the protocol has been released earlier this year. It seems likely that if the developers had decided to abandon the project, they would have done so when the token fell from $200 in December to below $30 at the beginning of January 2022. However, the crew rose to their feet, showed that they were serious and continued to work, and the price is today back above $150. Another point to keep in mind is that the cryptocurrency industry as a whole goes down in flames. THOR Financial will follow suit. Furthermore, not only will the price suffer, but so will THOR's financial investment in other projects, which will also suffer as a result of the market's collapse. And so, the project will most likely collapse along with the rest of the economy. However, they have invested their financial resources in a variety of exciting initiatives, all of which appear to be promising. In other words, they have an interesting treasury with millions of dollars in other initiatives in the works. So go ahead and try them. In the end, it's your decision if you want to invest in them or not. We do recommend that you go to the THOR Financial Discord and ask some questions, as well as attempt to pick up some vibes while you're there. But this is entirely optional. We feel that after watching this video and conducting your own research, you will have a better understanding of whether or not you should invest in them. What do you think about THOR nodes? Do you think they've got potential to become a really big thing? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.